Modern buildings have numerous positive and negative characteristics. Hello and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. Let's start with the negatives. Number one, the layout of open plan offices is now standard, with valuable goods often on display. It's worth remembering that the first breach of security is when an item is known to exist. Number two, air conditioning, heating, and utility systems will be installed throughout the facility in addition to communication corridors and the like. These can be used to conceal wrongdoers. Number three, interior floor plans may be obtained via architectural firms or builders, giving valuable information away. Number four, unless otherwise instructed, weak locks with commonly available keys might be installed. And number five, often they are not constructed to be strong, and buildings may be easy to be forced entry into. So let's look at the positives. Number one, windows will be designed to be relatively secure and may not open if air conditioning or environmental controls are installed. Number two, security may be integrated into the structure. High-value assets, such as servers, will be placed in purpose-built rooms or facilities. And number three, straight walls make good surveillance possible. If you'd like to know more about protecting buildings, why not download our guide